Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from A.R.M.S Inc. A.R.M.S inks, also known as A.R.M.S mounts. It was originally created as the company Atlantic Research Marketing Systems. So that's where they get the A.R.M.S from. And this was originally this company formed by Richard SWAN and continued by members of the SWAN family. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. I did take the manifest off the outside of the box. So here's their logo and info there. Feel free to research current contact info for A.R.M.S Inc. Let's see how we can get this open. This is the bottom of the box. Use the back edge. Let's see if we can get through this protected part right there. Looks like it's actually a glued box. Oops. Alright, let's see if I can go through the top. Okay. We have bubble wrap, items, more bubble wrap. Okay, that's all I see. Put this to the side real quick. Moment. Yeah, now we got these. So get some fluff out of the way here. According to the manifest, we have a rear and front sight set. The number 40L and number 40LF. See, that's for front. And we also have a SWAN Sling. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of these. This one you can see here is the LF, number 40. Low profile, flip up front sight, rail mounted. We have a patent, we have a trademark, and all of the business information there. Let's see if I can open this real quick. So within that bag, we also have another bag. And here the item itself. So the SWAN logo. Still has some of the oil lubricant on there, and you see it prominently on there 40LF, and this would make this the front, deploys, front sight post, and there, quick stowaway. This would be how you mount it on the rail. Loosen this. This is captive by wire, so you won't lose that. So that's the front. Here we have printed on here directly the 40L. So what normally happens with the M16 M4 system, the legacy systems still have the front sight gas block assembly. So as part of the accessory switch out for the carry handle and to get a more precision flat stowing flip up sight, this actually has its own NSN number, was orderable, and it was the more common sight of these two that was ordered. Although these can be paired together, This actually was the dominant selling item, thus I can see why they packaged this differently than this one. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this out of here. So you see there, this one is just the 0.75 MOA. They do come in a different MOA adjustment clicks. But deploy it, and a little stiff, but click it back. And you have two sets of apertures, ghost ring, and you can flip right back up the finer aperture, plus you have the quick acquisition notch on the top to match against your front sight post as well. So if you use these in conjunction, quick deploy, these will be facing back towards you, and you'll be looking at something like this. So the irons notch will lie on the top of the through the sight post this way, or you can also look through the apertures as well, and you would have the ghost ring likewise. So you can get that in view like so. Alright, so let's show how to quickly stow this. Flip this up and snap that back into place. Likewise with this one, flip that up and boop, captive. So we can set these aside. SWAN Sling. So there are a lot of different slings out there, but before there were such a variety, this was pretty high tech at the time. In action. Pictures there. And instructions for setup. I'm not going to go into detail on that right now. I'm just going to show you what we got right here. I ordered Coyote. You can specify Coyote or black. This one does have some green attachments as well. So you can see this actually uses... there we go. Okay, clever. So it's a tension spring and pin as a variation on the kind of hook system, HK hook. While we're here, we can see the stitched on label. Very hard plastic buckle there. Straps. See, we have bungee type attachment, and yeah, this one likewise has the pull there. Now let's see, this one looks like a slider possibly. Yeah, quick adjust slider right there. Although I'm not sure how we would adjust back just as quickly. With this, I think, then you can do that. So this is your tension here. So it's a variation on current slings that just have a loose slider. This is kind of a secondary tension loop that you can see right there. So there's a lot going on with this sling. Interesting design. And I do believe there might be enough slack through here that we could switch these out if we wanted to. So, interesting attachment here as well. So, quick look at the A.R.M.S. SWAN Sling. And we had started off with a front and rear flip up 40L and 40LF sight set. And these all came from A.R.M.S Inc., also known as Atlantic Research Marketing Systems Inc. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos. We do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.